9 minutes before going to sleep, use a ball to relax, okay? By the end of this video, you'll have about 9 moves to feel really good by using a ball. And we're going to start with this, which is a rocking motion forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. It's really nice and soothing, not just for kids, but also for adults or adults, okay? So get a ball and have a ball and enjoy these moves that are great, very beneficial to relax, to restore, to go to sleep. Yes, do that as many times as you want. I would say at least 5 times. And now relax here. This is one of my favorites. It's one of the best ones. Okay? Just hug the ball. So it's like you have the ball right in front of your tummy and you roll yourself over it and you just relax. You see my legs are hip width apart. You can see it in the mirror as well. Okay? And you see that I let go of my head so that my neck actually does have a relaxation moment right there. You can even work as a massage. All right, there you have 2. Now, I'm going to tell you to do something that I showed you on the beginners exercise, the beginners video. I should point it out so that you can watch it. I guess it's this way. You see, I'm not very good at cards. But anyway, ask me about that video where I teach you, hey, to go from the sitting, you walk forward and you lie down on the ball. Okay, so level 1 is like this, and then you're going to use your hands to actually go all the way back and do a modified fish pose, which is like this. Just relaxing on top of the ball. Feels amazing. Separate your legs for more stability. Okay? I'm going to lower this so you can see it better. And do it again. So I walk forward. See, my legs are stable. And then I use my hands as well to do the fish pose. That would be number 3. And just stay there and breathe. At least 2 yoga breaths, okay? That means long, slow, controlled breaths, okay? They're really, really good. Now we're going to do cat-cow pose, which is one of the most important. You can do standing, you can do kneeling. Let's start with kneeling. Okay, this would be cow. This would be cat. 4 and 5. Oh, it feels so good. See? Legs separated, hips apart. Cow, cow, cat. I like this variation a lot. Cow, cat, and yes, you can do it standing. So we have cow, cat, cat pose. All right. Fantastic. And now, let's do thread the needle. It's like a puppy pose right here. And I'm going to take this arm, my right arm, and underneath. Okay, so watch first, and then you do it on your own, and I can coach you. Ask me about my coaching. I do one-on-one private coaching. For those of you who want to do the exercises, have the motivation, and also do it right, which takes some practice, of course, as anything else, right? Am I doing this correctly? Yeah, like this. And my left underneath. It's called thread the needle. Yeah, so thread the needle right there. Here, underneath, and it really, really, really helps to relax and switch. You could do so many more. You could sit on the ball and do lion pose. You stick out your tongue. Inhale and exhale. We can do it here You could also sit on the ball and do twists. This is so good. I'm going to do it a little closer to you. Oh, there we go. And switch. Do that twist. And one of the most relaxing things we can do towards the end of a yoga class to really go home or go to bed relaxed, ready, calm, centered, calm, cool, and collected, you know what I mean? Is actually, we can lie on the ball and do so many more. I think I did way more than 9 and forgot to count them again, so sorry about that. So yeah, you're just gonna lie sideways on the ball and extend. You could extend both, but then you could just relax into it and do this like a pretzel level 1 and 2, 3, and then you do the whole pretzel using the ball for support. This is really good. Oh, feels amazing. And of course we're going to switch. Gotta make sure everything is in place because it's kind of tight. Okay, talk about tight clothing before you go to bed. Usually you can wear something nicer, but I just love the combination, so I decided to use this. Silver, blue. I love blue too. Okay, and this one is so good. Twists are the best to relax, to let go and release all the stress that may be in your body. Not anymore. And so many that we could do. Okay, yes. My gosh, those 9 minutes give us a chance to do so many more. Am I still counting? Oh my God, no wonder. And I was like, oh, really? How many minutes are we into it? 7. 7.5. Oh, that's good. We do have time. So I forgot to set the timer. You see, that's my fault. Anyway, you know this pigeon pose, Kapotasana? Okay, just like this. You can start with level 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Go all the way down and stretch. You can stretch here. And you could roll. Feels amazing. And switch legs. This is one of my favorites. Yes. Extend. Okay, there we go. And more. So you have that nice hip stretch. And you could rock and roll front and back, side to side. We could do circles, okay? And go all the way down as you make progress. Feels so good, so good, so good. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Last but not least, because there's so much more I could teach you, and yes, in the private sessions, I teach you moves that are perfect for you. Everybody's different, our bodies have different needs. You may need to do a minute of this. I may stay 5 minutes, okay? Just put your legs on the ball, okay? Let's lower our shoulders separated from our ears, and as we lower, we extend our knees. So level 1, 2, and just do something simple, okay? Yes, we could also have the ball on the wall. This is a nice relax, like that too. You go sideways, and if that weren't enough, this is my bonus for this video. I hope you love it and enjoy it as much as I do. And yes, this is Savasana or Shivasana, like the relaxing pose of yoga 101. Just have your legs on top of the ball and just rest. That's it, simple. And for more information, DM me. And also, I'm going to give credit to Carol Mitchell and this amazing book, Yoga on the Ball. Okay, she has all these moves really well explained. And thank you. for the inspiration. I love books like this. And I've been teaching for 27 years, and I always refer and I give the credit to whoever deserves it, all right? So yes, check out the links below where I invite you to my new courses. I have free mini courses like 18 Secret Keys to Your Best Abs. I have mini courses like Fiber Power. So we have exercise, nutrition, and about attitude. I have From Lazy to Fit and Unstoppable. Yes, it could be at any point in your life. I may not have been at the best moment before recording this video, but I did it. And how did I do it? With the attitude check and with all the pointers that I gave you on how to go from lazy or not feeling like it to actually doing the thing and do what you know you must do to look and especially feel fit, healthy, happy, and free. Yes. So thank you, love you so much. Like, please, subscribe, share it with some of your friends. And let's practice together so you can get coaching from me, okay? If you want to get to your next level. I hope so. Evolve. Thank you. Cheers.